Hey guys, welcome back to Built Prado. I'm here today with Outbound Lenny, which I'll link his Instagram. So he's got a Prado 90 series diesel, and his is the newest model 2002. So we've got new versus old of the same car, which is very exciting. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, so right now he's just laying down all his tyres. Now the differences between these cars are obviously mine's slightly bigger lift and 35s, and then he's got 32s-ish, and like a 2-inch 40mm lift. So the lifts are completely different. He's got roof rack, I don't have a roof rack. Weight inside the cars is pretty similar, but the suspension is just completely different. So he's laying down his tyres. I'm going to not for now. We'll see how we go, and we'll just be able to go over the same obstacles, and we can compare the difference: diesel versus petrol, torque versus power. I guess not really.
It wouldn't be port versus power, they're the same thing.
Yeah.
Port versus crow.
yeah. So yeah, we'll see how we go, because it's not really like that. Alright, so we're at the back of the cars now, and as you can see, they're pretty much the exact same car. 3 litre, 3.4 litre, 4 cylinder, 6 cylinder. So really excited to see how they go off-road and see which one performs better. Okay guys, so we're at the rear of his 90 series, and I just thought we'd film it because it's quite a cool setup. What do you got going here?
So most people who have a 90 series know that it's quite narrow between the wheel arches. So 9 times out of 10, if you want to get 2 draws in like this, you got to build up a false floor. Now I was given a water tank by my old man, so I needed my false floor to be quite tall to have the water running through it. So I thought, why not do some draws in the false floor?
That's so cool. Extra storage underneath. I haven't got that at all. That's awesome.
So yeah, so they just push back in nicely enough. And yeah, so that acts as the false floor. I've got the bigger drawers up here. So tools in that one,
and then built-in fridge slide.
Yep, the built-in fridge slide on that one. I find that this fridge slide can be a bit squeaky.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That's my only gripe with it. I definitely prefer that one to that one.
Yeah.
Where if I reorganise my setup in the future, what I'll probably do is just have a fridge slide here and do 2 of these stacks on top of each other.
Oh, okay.
So then I'll have a flat platform.
So the fridge is lower.
Yeah, so the fridge is a bit lower.
I think the same thing as well, actually. Yeah.
But yeah,
that's so
it's
cool.
good. I've got 12 volt built into that wing there.
Yeah,
I've got my water comes out on the other side, and all my liquids and crap.
Yeah. That's awesome. And you got space to put other camping gear and stuff like chairs and all that.
Yep. So there's enough room in here for me and my missus to get our chairs in.
Oh, perfect.
And then I've got all my recovery gear in a big box which slides in on top of there, and then it's just a matter of clothes in a bag.
Yeah.
I'm in the process of designing up chair delete and doing a set of drawers, so we can have all our have food, clothes and everything just in their own drawers.
Oh, right.
And in place of a seat, be about the same weight. So
heaps of plans coming. We'll have to meet up later on and do another rundown. But yeah, that's just another storage way of doing it. If you got a 90 series and you're struggling for room, build a platform, put more drawers in it. So, wicked. So there's 2 lines here. This one's quite ridiculous. It doesn't look like it on camera, but it is. And there's this one here. So we're just going to go up this one. There's a big tree step there, which you can't really see because of the shadows, but we'll see how he goes. Oh no, it's fair way down. Oh yeah? Easy.
All of that. Yeah, come this way. Yeah, straight.
Easy. Lovely. Some bad noises in that one. It's so muddy now. Alrighty, so when he gets up here, he's going to get to a certain point, and then we're going to put the max tracks under and use that to pry up, because this mud is so soft and slippery, you have no idea, and he can't, normally he just drives past there, but he can't do it. So we'll see how far he gets up here. Oh, a little wheel lift. Still wheel lifting. Oh yeah. Big old flex. Coils all around. Gonna give it to the 90. Oh. Okay, so we've just redone the max tracks again, so we've got 3 on this time because one of them's buried, we can't get it. So hopefully he can launch from here and get the rest of the way up, so we'll see how he goes. Or maybe the same again, but like 1.5 meters back. It was, that front one was about to go. Maybe a little bit more back, a little bit more. Yeah, if you send it from there, that has to surely grab on them. Yeah. Oh, come on. It's the back. Oh, there must be a lot of weight in the back. If you go like left hand down, then you might be able to go up that little middle bit. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so close. Oh, it's.
Now let's see if the petrol can beat the diesel. Yeah, got it. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Oh, it's so close. So yeah, just give it a go from there. Try. No, just go straight. Just gun it, see what happens. You're on the maxi, so just a smidge. Yeah, that'll be good. Now, yeah, now send it from there. Yep, go. Yeah, give it a go. Go all the way back down, give it another crack. The wheels are straight, you might slide a little bit. Go for it. Yeah, gas, 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 gas. Yeah. Oh. So close.
Oh, so close. Alright guys, we've got a vlogging mode, the camera died. Now it's starting to rain, but pretty much what's the end verdict of diesel versus petrol?
They're about the same. I mean, even with this, the extra ground clearance and everything, like
yeah, about the same.
Yeah, still performs about the same. I mean,
yeah,
we're talking about the tyres before. The 35s have their advantage on the bigger trucks and things like that. Maybe on the Prados they're a little more risky.
Yeah. We're saying because obviously CME's IFS 35 is a bit risky and more of a solid actual car like that Petrol before you probably want big tyres on forward, because in a lot of the clips you'll hear my car click. That's because the CVs are overworking for such big tyres, pushing so much wheel. And these cars, because I had the similar setup to this before, and as you can see there's a lot of flexing and there's a lot of movement there, so they're pretty much as capable as this. So this video, more if anything, is more about tyres and lift versus each other than the actual cars. In terms of diesel, petrol, they're sort of doing the same thing.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of the stuff we did probably wouldn't go towards one or the other. Like if we did road to Beachport, like your car would probably shit all over mine. But then if we were at Lithgow or something doing crazy rock steps, like my car might outperform yours because it's got that low down torque. So
yeah, exactly. Yeah, so it's kind of a hard one, but we're gonna call it a tie, kind of what we're still saying.
Yeah, we'll have a rematch soon.
Yeah, rematch soon. Okay. If you ever Prado that's petrol with normal tyres, lift, come along. No, so you can get the real comparison. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. And if you want to go to this track, it is in Meadows.
It's just outside of Meadows. So
yeah, and it's the quarry. If you type, we can't really type that.
Look for Quarry Road in between Macclesfield and Meadows.
Yeah. And everyone comes here. Like that guy was a random. Every time I come here, someone comes here. Everyone knows about this track, so we're very surprised if you're like haven't been here before. But yeah, come along. You saw the tracks. We got about 3/4 up that one.
Yep.
He's done it before. He sent me videos of him doing it before, but just because it's been raining the last 4 days, everything's muddy, and you saw the Patrol get up there. He couldn't get up there. Granted, it was in two-wheel drive, but we won't say that. But yeah, so really good tracks, and yeah, definitely a nice little spot. And I think you can camp. Here as well. So and we're just on the end. There's a little cliff over here. We're just on the lookout. But yeah, until next time, we'll catch you guys on Built Prado. Catch you later.
See you later, guys.